Good morning, morning. RJ. RJ's in here? That's so funny. I'll ask him when I'm in Thanos' room. Man, people are coming. Small crowd. I think everyone stayed up late last night debating themselves. That or I said I was gonna be on at 6:37 ish and it's 7:41. They probably thought I overslept. Stonks. That's so funny. So help me understand stonks. Where'd that come from? Why are they called stonks? This is five ways down. And I go up in a B. Where's resistance? Where's resistance? Oh, that's what I was. That's right. What am I talking about? Boom. And boom. Okay. See where we're at. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. All right, what do we got so far? Sinking stocks. Yeah. Okay. I can see that. Let's Google it. What? In internet slang, stonks is a deliberate misspelling of stock as traded in the stock market. It is often used to refer to such stocks in finance more generally, in a humorous and ironic way, especially to comment on financial losses. Okay, there you go. Stonks. There you go. Yeah. So in Thanos is when Thanos talks about BYND, that could be the stonk. I mean, the debate was like watching two children play or fight. It was insane. Uh, I'm not too sure who won that though. It was very interesting. I think the next one, the vice presidential debate, is going to get real political. This one was just trying to play nice in the sandbox, but they failed. Okay, let's check out the crowd. Let's see how many. I wish 30, 31. Man, people did stay up late. Okay, we'll get started. All right, so here's kind of what I'm looking at with features. So yeah, when people saw after the debate and they saw the features kind of really dip, everyone's freaking out, right? Look, we're going back up. So that just signaled a five wave down. Where are we at? We're here. That's where it was. Okay. Oh, oh crap! That's today. Market meeting. Yeesh. Okay, I got 15 minutes. Man, I can't believe the week goes by fast. So here we ended the day yesterday here in a we were in an A wave, right? And then as soon as the debate ended, we just sold off. I mean, we were in a B correction from the move up here or from this third wave. So we're right now we're coming down in a fourth wave. So it doesn't surprise me. We all knew, like what I mentioned in the video, we gapped up over the weekend. I mean, look at the SPY here. I mean, let me turn off the 21 EMA and 9. So look, we still have, we've still gapped up. This gap needs to get filled. So that's kind of what we're doing. We went up in a B wave, and now we finally go down we're starting to go down in a C wave. The C might actually be deeper because this I can count. Well, this is 5 waves down. Oops, wrong one. Where's this at? Oh, why does it say percent change? I don't want that. Oh man, it's gonna be a deep one. Okay. All right. So save that for later for another video. So yeah, that's what we did. We basically went down. The immediate bleeding that everyone saw was a wave one. Wave one, it always drop. It's an impulsive wave, but it's the wave. Actually, we mentioned this in the training, but it's the wave that actually it's the fastest. So we immediately got a drop, and that was the wave one, and then we pulled back into wave two. Oops. We pulled back into wave two, came down into wave three, four, then we ended the move in a wave five. So now what we're doing is we're in a corrected move. Now we're in a pullback. Okay, so what I'm looking for, most people are looking for an A, B, C, and then go down. I don't think that's the case. I think what we're going to get is in A, B, C, D, and then an E into resistance. So once we get into resistance, which my target is between 33.28 and 33.37. So on the SPY, that means, and we're kind of testing it right now, that means we will most likely in open get up into this resistance box. Okay. So if this is already not if we're not already starting to decline based off this wick here bouncing off the 5, I don't think it is, but I think we're going to open up and we're going to come up into resistance. And then we'll start to sell off. So if that happens, then this would be, assuming we hit, where are you at? Assuming we hit the 618. Where are you at? Excuse me. Trying to get a placement here. Got one. I'm trying with extended. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, so if we can get into resistance, we bounce off the 618 and we get rejected, then this C wave, and today's the end of the month and the end of the quarter. So this move, I have a feeling it's going to end today. So we'll get this entire move. I have a feeling that we're going to go into this gold zone. I'm actually going to shorten this up. I'm going to basically take it to here. I'm going to do the 1618 from this, what I just drew out. And then this, where does this count from? Oh, I can get rid of that. I don't need that. I don't need that. So yeah, so I can, here's my box right here. So 1618 to 2618. And the reason I'm doing this is because when I measure out futures, if futures bounces here off the 382, which I have a feeling it will, that means our C wave would actually be extended and will come down to this zone, which is 321 to 320, 32.25, which would put us. See, it'll put it. Oh my gosh, it'd actually be much farther than that. It'd be all the way down here. But I'm just going to keep it here. So right now, for support on the SPY, I've got, yeah, it's still there. So I've got a pull back into SPY as in terms of support as 325 to 327. Yeah, I'm gonna. There's no way we're gonna get that shallow. I'm gonna drop it here to the 2. So this is what I'm looking for on the SPY. And that, so this box would actually get us into, it'll not only fill the gap, but it'll actually get us into support at the 0.5 extension level, 327. And then we may come down a little bit more. But this entire move, I would not be surprised if it happens all in one day. So that's my target. Dun, dun, dun. I know. I've had better political arguments than those two last night. Okay, so I got 8 minutes left. Anything I should pull up? What were we talking about in Thanos' channel? What tickers? What tickers? Oh yeah, I'm looking at Amazon. Let me look at Amazon. Man, is Amazon ever gonna fill that damn gap? I still need Amazon to come down here to the 382. If I can get Amazon down here in the 382, then I've got my 1-2 that I need. Because that means, let's just, oh, look at here. Wait a minute. Is this the hour chart? Oh, look at this. So look at the technicals here. So now we're going to start to curl. So as soon as these lines, the buy and sell signals start to cross, then yep, we're going down. And if I can get a bounce at the 5, I'm going to take off the 382. Yeah, I'm really looking for a bounce near the 618. Because if I can get a bounce in the 618, that means my first wave would nicely hit the 618. And if we can hit that, if we get the bounce here, then yeah. See, I'm looking at Boeing or oh, this is space. What am I looking at? Why am I looking at space? That's fine. It's good info to have, anyways. Okay, yeah, space come down. uh okay, so yeah, I'm watching space too. Let's put an alert. I'm gonna put alert right here. Oh, actually, I already have an alert. Yep, made an alert at 1883. Okay, I'm gonna keep my alert there. Um, Amazon. Here it is. I know I did it. Okay. Okay, we got it. The 618 got the pullback, and now we hit the. Came close to the 1. Check something. Oh shit! Wrong one. Wrong one. Get it out. Don't do that. Don't do that. Let's just move it out here. Okay. There it is. Okay. I'm looking for Amazon to get down into this level. 3050 to 3076. As soon as it does, I'm 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 buying it. Because I already have a feeling that this was C. So we came close to it, but that's C. Um, so yeah, so I'm waiting for Amazon to get to 3050 to 3076, and maybe the sell-off today, the volatility that today will get there. But as soon as it enters that zone, look at we got a gap fill to fill too. I'm put an alert on this one. I will be buying an October 16th option for Prime. Oh, what else is there? Let's see what applesauce is doing. Oh shit, this is an old chart. Damn it. 1, 2. Okay. Looks like 3 hit here. Uh-oh. 4 is getting extended, so see. And now I don't call this a bull flag just for so that everyone knows. This is an ending diagonal. Okay, so this is not a bull flag. Ending diagonal that'll come down and grab 5. So something's bad's going to come out for Apple, in my opinion. And if we can grab this 5, wait a minute, A, C, D. Yeah, oh yeah, I got one more leg up, one more move up. Wait a minute, nope. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. That's what I thought. It's like, whoa, that broke my first roll. That's because of my counts wrong. Actually, no. 1, 2. We get to the. That's not 3. This is 3. Where's the technical? Damn it. Now I gotta pull up the one. Or the 5 minute. Shit. Okie dokie. So this was actually one. This could be actually two. Then I've got this as a three. That's four. Yeah, and this could be five. Yeah, so this move here for a four broke my first roll. Or my first roll. What was that? What roll is that? Rule number. No, rule number. I think that's the last rule. Yeah, rule number three. Can't go into the wave one zone. All right, so this is Apple. So we got five waves. What's the MACD doing? Yeah. Look at the daily. We're about ready to pop. And they have earnings on October 29th. Ooh. That's interesting. When's Apple's event? I want to get ready for my call, then I'm going to have to hop off. Yeah, it's in October. Is there a date though? Let's try to look. Shit, it's 8 o'clock. October. Okay. That's funny. All right, so all right, I'm gonna have to hop off because my meeting's starting. So yeah, I got five waves down, and now we're in an ABC correction. So I have a feeling we're gonna get a rally. Clearly, on you see the technicals. Oh, thanks. So it's on the technicals. You see how we're reversing. So now it's about to get real bullish. So I think we're going to get very bullish on Apple. I'll have to spend more time in terms of where we're going. 1, 2. Okay, so yeah, wait for this thing to come back. This 382. It's gonna. So we could get a. Yeah, it's we're in three. We're in wave three. So that means Apple will hit between 118 and 120 and 120. I keep looking over here, but the damn values are right here. Between 118 and 120 for a wave three to end, and then we'll pull back into wave four, which would be a 114. So yeah, we're 5 moves up will take us to 120 to 122. If it's extended and it gets a pretty nice run, which I have a feeling it will be because of Prime, there's a higher probability that we're going to get a target of where are we at? Somewhere here. So we can go from 122 to as high as 130. Before earnings, and then when earnings comes out, we all know what's going to happen there. So yeah. All right, folks, I got to get going. I got a weekly meeting that just started. So I will see you guys in the day trade room. If not, I'll be in Thanos earlier or later today in his room. So we'll be chatting and look at some tickers there, because once this move is done on the SPY, then I will be buying, taking some positions because we're in a wave two pullback, and now we go up into wave three. So yeah, so I'll be taking out. So keep an eye out on the account challenge. I will be posting something in there hopefully today. So yeah, thanks for joining. So thanks for joining. So I'll see you guys in the day trade room, and then if not there, I'll see you at Thanos.